All right, what's good, y'all? We gonna change it up today. The kids are out the house. The girl is out the house. We are about to get explicit. Havoc is on the mic. Now, moving forward, if I say Havoc is on the mic, it's Havoc today. Get ready because you're getting some rated R shit. Okay, okay, you're getting some rated R, rated X shit that's gonna be on the mic. It's gonna be unfiltered. It's gonna be untamed. This is the alter ego when I'm boxing, when I'm trading, when I'm competing in MMA or competing in wrestling, or the old football player who used to compete at UCF. This is what you're going to get. Okay, when I say Havoc is on the mic, when I say HB is on the mic, okay, it's going to be tame. The kids are in the house, the girls are. I'm not going to get too crazy. I don't want to be a bad influence and all that stuff. But when I say Havoc is on the mic, get fucking ready, cause I'm about to go live. Okay, and I'm gonna keep it a buck, and it's not gonna be spoon-fed shit. Okay, if you want to get this type of moves, these 50-point moves, these 100-point moves plus, if you want to pass evaluations with Top Step in 2 days like I fucking do, if you want to get a My Funded Futures account in 1 day and then start getting payouts like moi, then you need to start listening. I know what you need to do. I know how to help you. I know how to change your life. I know how to get you in the right direction because shit is going to get weird in this fucking world, in this country. Okay, with automation and AI and the new world order, shit is gonna get fucking real. Okay, so you better get ready. You better get prepared. You better have some extra ways to bring in income. And this is a good way to have a ATM. Okay, but you're only gonna be able to do it if you fucking listen and do what I tell you to do. Okay? And you can't be a little pussy, you can't be a little bitch about it. All right? And you're gonna have to exercise some discipline and control, something you're probably not used to doing. Okay? If it will take time, and I will be completely honest with you, unlike these other fucking gurus. I'm still mastering my shit. Okay, my biggest weakness is letting my trades run all the way to the take profit. Now at the end of the day, I'm still making more than most of you motherfuckers. Okay, because most people fail at this game. I'm taking profits off at 5 points short of my full take profit. That ain't shit. Okay, you motherfuckers are losing money. So you better listen up. Okay, first off, put some skin in the game. I don't care what all these gurus tell you online. They'll say, "Oh, you need to paper trade till you find a profitable strategy and back test." That's great to a certain extent. But at some point in time, you're gonna have to drop your fucking balls. Okay, man up or woman up, whatever you want to say in this politically correct time. Okay, and you're gonna have to put some skin in the game. Go put $50 with Top Step X account. If you can't fucking afford that, go to Apex's shitty prop firm and wait till they have a sale where a account costs like $10 and go get screwed out your money because they're never going to pay you out. But, go do that. At least it will feel like that. You're probably going to blow out the account anyways, but at least you will feel a little bit of skin in the game. And that's the point. That's where the true learning begins. I was a sheriff. I was a car hauler. I was a football player at a Division One level. I'm a boxer currently. Also trying to transition to MMA. Okay? You don't learn how to do these things. In fact, you don't learn how to do anything, okay, in life, in a career, if you don't get your hands dirty. Okay, when I went through the police academy, that wasn't teaching me shit. That wasn't getting ready for me to be a sheriff. That was some preliminary bullshit. Okay? That's teaching you some fundamental, basic, elementary shit. You know when I learned how to be the sheriff? When I went off on my own. Okay? A little bit when I was with my FTO. That's when I learned how to be a sheriff, but mostly on my own. When I'm getting live experience. Okay? Actually out there talking to people, dealing with dangerous situations where things can flip on your ass. That's when I learned how to become a sheriff. I learned how to become a football player. In the games, I learned how to be a boxer when competing in matches. Okay. Now, I'm not saying that paper trading and back testing is useless. I'm not saying that at all. Like in boxing, you need sparring, you need training, you need to hit the heavy bag, you need to go for runs, you need to hit the mitts. But you have to complement it with real life experience in what you're doing. I can spar all day or I can hit the heavy bag all day, but if I'm not matching it with actual experience, taking fights with the ref in the ring, okay, no headgear, smaller gloves, your girlfriend in the fucking stands, hoping you don't lose and look like a bitch in front of her. That's some different shit than sparring. Sparring's close. It can resemble just like paper trading. It's close. It's close to what you can do, but it's not actually it all the way. Okay. In sparring, there's bigger gloves, headgear. Okay. It's a controlled environment, right? The intensity is not the same. It's a great training aid. It's the closest thing you're gonna get to training for an actual fight, right? But at the end of the day, where do you really need to get your experiences? At the tournaments, at the matchups, at the fights, in the ring, the prize fights. And you complement it with the sparring and the training. Now you got something there, kiddo. You got something where it's the same in the markets. Get off the fucking paper trading. Once you figure out paper trading is good for the mechanical shit, learning how to use a broker. Here's the buy button. Here's the sell button. Here's the fucking Gantle. Here's the trend line. That's what it's good. Get familiar. Okay, when you get that down, you get some idea of price action and a strategy. I'm not saying jump in immediately, but as soon as you get a grasp on something, get some skin in the game. And you can complement that with your back testing and your paper trading and whatever, watching the YouTube channels and reading the books. It's all important. But the main thing, if you have one thing, if you can only take one way to move forward, it's experience trading actually in the live markets, because you're not going to be able to learn things until you do that. And you can be perfect. It's like book smart, right? You can be book smart, but that don't mean you're street smart. Don't mean when you get in those real life scenarios, you're going to know how to handle that. So you need to trust me and listen to me, because you could have made money here on this price leg. You could have made money here on this price leg. You could have made money here on this price leg. And I'm making so much fucking money, I don't even care what happens for the rest of the day. Okay? I don't care. I don't even need this 140 point run. I don't need it. I took my take profit at like 50, 60 points and I was good for the day. I was like, I'm good. I don't need anymore. But if you want to, you can get this 140 point move and get this move right here and get this move right here and say, fuck you. Okay? Because we're getting in some weird times right now, folks. With the New World Order, I don't know what's going to happen with this election. The New World Order is coming. Automation is coming. AI is coming. Okay? It seems like Satan is on the rise, folks. And I'm not the most Christianly man. When you get HB on the mic, you know you're going to get a more Christianly man. You're going to get a more censored, filtered version. But sometimes you need the dog to come out, folks. You need a dog to come out and warn you. Shit is getting weird. You better get ready. You better learn how to make money in this world and have extra streams of income and get it as soon as possible, because shit is getting weird. And I don't even know if this will be available to us. Okay? I'm being God honest. So you need to make moves now, and you need to listen to what I'm telling you so you can get yourself out of this matrix. Okay? Or at least prepare for what's coming. At the end of the day, look, only Jesus can save us, y'all. Only Jesus. But we have to help ourselves a little in the meantime. We have to help our families. We're not just going to sit down and bend down and take it, okay? We got to try to protect our family. We got to try to protect our kids. We got to try to protect the people who are like us. But you have to get prepared. Start learning how to make money. Start being disciplined. Stop over leveraging when you're taking these trades. Stop being greedy. Be patient. And the thing is, that's so cool about this business right here, about trading. If it really doesn't take long if you exercise patience and discipline, but it's so fucking hard to do that, right? Because this really triggers our degenerative gambling behavior. And that's the tricky aspect of this game. It's going to tap into that primal part of your brain. It's so simple. If you can only just take 15 points a day, or if you can only take 10, or if you just take your $100 day with my funded futures or $200 days and be happy and satisfied, that would compound so quickly if you had a consistent strategy and manage your risk and were modest about your take profit. Oh, you would get very, very wealthy fast. You would be able to walk away from your job if you wanted to, and you would be able to scale up. It seems so simple, but it's very complicated because this shit taps into the reptilian part of your brain. Okay, but let's break down this trade and how you could have went about it. Okay, let's do that before you ADD motherfuckers lose your attention. Okay, because I know how y'all are. You scroll through YouTube looking for shorts, looking for quick answers for everything. Okay, you're looking for the fucking golden key. It's not there, folks. It's not there. It's just hard work, dedication, persistence, consistency, discipline, patience. That's what it is. Accept it. Start the process now and embrace it. And the earlier you do that, the quicker you can make fucking money. Okay? Once you accept that this is not gonna happen overnight. And once again, but if you can, it can change your life really quickly within a year. I know that sounds forever for you pussies, but within a year, it could change your life. And that's not that long when you think about it. But let's get into it. We had the 9:30 opening right here, vertical green line. Okay. Very risky to trade at the 9:30 opening, especially if you don't have experience and you know what the fuck you're doing. Okay. If you don't know what the fuck you're doing and you're not comfortable, you need to tape read. Tape read. Okay. And eventually you can start exercising some moves when you start to see them. Now, what you could have done here at the 9:30 opening, you see this little block right here. Okay. One, we start to create an inversion over that. So I'm thinking advanced market structure shift right here. And you have a bullish fair value gap and you have a bearish one right here. That's where the inversion is in this purple highlighted box. They're overlapping each other and it's occurring over this block. Okay, that can be considered an advanced market structure shift. We took liquidity right here. Boom, boom, right there. Okay, so as we're creating this inversion, I'm even more encouraged. Okay, because this is a fair value gap that's going over this advanced market structure shift. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for this third candle to print. And as soon as this third candle print, I'm buying. As soon as this third candle prints, I'm buying. Okay, and look at this. You're going to have little to no drawdown. This is essentially where your entry is going to be. Right around here. When this third candle prints, you can put a limit order somewhere around here, or you can just get a buy. Just buy. Just buy with the market order. Don't be fucking gay, okay, and fucking get all fucking technical and shit. And you know, I need to put my limit order because no, just fucking buy it. All right, it's simple as that. Don't overthink this shit. You know, I'm not gonna be so anal about every aspect in trading, right? Because sometimes you just need to pull the fucking trigger and learn, and you can refine it as you go. But as soon as this third candle prints, okay, you can buy. Or what you could do as soon as we close over this inversion, guess what? You can buy here. Buy here. Or if you want more confirmation, wait for the third candle to print. You can buy somewhere after that, which would probably be somewhere around here. Look, little to no drawdown. Little to no drawdown. You can see the live execution. I'll drop the link in the description below. I didn't even get a perfect entry. I was cooking for my fucking kids in the morning. Okay? And I walked to the church like 5 minutes after the opening. And I got a late entry somewhere around here. Took a little bit of a drawdown or somewhere up here, right? Ran it for about 50 points on got another funded Top Step X account. Fuck you. Okay, goals to get 5. Made some money on my funded futures account. Okay, I can only make so much, so I couldn't run the whole 140, but I don't need to. But if you want to, you can. So first, you see where the market is going. You see that you have a fair or a decent high and low to play off of, short-term high and low to play off of. Do we close over anyone? Yes, we close low over these, but there's no signals after this. So we creep back up and we have this advanced market structure shift. We get an inversion at the purple GAN boxes, as you can see. Okay, we close over with the candle body of the advanced market structure shift. And if you want more confirmation, okay, you can use this right here as your market structure shift. Okay, as soon as you close over that, boom, you can get into the trade. And then boom, more confirmation. What makes this high, even more high probability, or more high probability, is that you have a bullish fair value gap closing over that advanced market structure shift, or the market structure shift right here, the conventional one. Okay, because you see right here, bullish fair value gap. More confirmation that we will move up. Now, if you got in somewhere roughly around here, you're going to have to deal with some drawdown, right? Which I had to, but it's no biggie, okay? Don't over leverage. If you over leverage, that's going to be a problem. Stop over leveraging. You could be right about 100% of your moves, okay? But if you over leverage, you're going to fuck yourself, okay? You might as well go to your fucking Emporium store down the road, okay? Down in that ghetto little fucking street of yours, and you go grab a dildo and shove it up your ass, because if you over leverage, that's what's going to happen. You're going to you're going to fuck yourself. You're never going to even get, you're going to chop your legs out from under, from before you even get a chance. That's what's going to happen. You're going to chop your legs out from, you could be right, but stop over leveraging. You have to stop doing that. Would you rather make $300 a day or keep blowing out accounts and paying activation fees like a fucking retard? Stop over leveraging. It's, you can be 100% of the right on how you assess the market, but if you over leverage, you're not going to stand a chance. Okay, it is what it is. Build it, scale it. You can get to those big trades later. Okay, so having an entry here, as soon as you get a close over this advanced market structure shift, you get more confirmation with the bullish fair value gap. You get an inversion right here. So entry right here, or entry at the third candle close to confirm that this is a bullish fair value gap. You get somewhere roughly around here. You can put multiple contracts if you don't over leverage. Get on the MNQ. Put on 2-3 contracts. Okay, take partial at 50 points up here. But we're going to aim, if you want the big move, you're going to aim for a 15-minute SIBI. Okay, maybe we should write this right here. Turn it green. 15-minute SIBI. Okay, an unfilled SIBI. Unfilled SIBI. Okay, which is marked out here. You don't trust me, I can go on the higher time frame, which I'll do because y'all probably freak out if you don't see it. Okay, and you can run it up here, and you easily hit it and a little bit more. Okay, you easily hit it and a little bit more. If we go to the 15-minute chart, okay, it's right here. This is that 15-minute unfilled SIBI. Boom. Where does it fill? Right here. Even goes a little bit higher. Boom. Over 100 points if you wanted it. If you wanted it. But starting off, aim for 50 points. Aim for 50. That's plenty enough money. 50 points. That's a lot. That's what I aim for most of the time. I like to get in and out. I don't like to wait for all these long trades and shit. I like to get in and out within an hour. And let's see. This happens at the 9:30 opening, so it's a beautiful trade. It usually, statistically speaking, from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. is when you're going to get those massive runs. Now, you can extend that out to 9:30 to 11 a.m. where you can still catch those big runs, but if you want a high percentage chance of being a part of that big run, you need to find a way to get in from 9:30 to 10 a.m. Okay? Now, that can be tricky at first when you're not familiar with the market. This can be very volatile, but you have to look, it's not going to happen every day. You're not going to get these type of setups every day. Okay? But when you do see it and you're not over leveraging, you can manage well. And the beauty of it is when you're taking part of this big move, it's going to make it easier to see this little retracement right here. You can take advantage of that. You can run it up until you get your sell signal, which you did get in here. I did a video breakdown of that. You get your sell signal, you take advantage of that. And guess what? When you get another buy signal for the move to continue on up, boom, You can get this price leg. Boom, get this high. You take that out. So you're making money up and down, baby. And this is the beauty of this strategy. You're catching these 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 moves right here, which are giving you lots of opportunity to make lots of money. This is Havoc, punch and profit. Okay. Comment down below, like the video, subscribe. Remember, if you hear that Havoc is going to be on the mic moving forward, you're going to get some X-rated shit. Okay. And don't fucking pander to me about uh my language and how I'm talking all explicit. If you can't handle it, get the fuck off. I don't care. I don't give a shit. I don't need your fucking views. I don't need your subscriptions. Unsubscribe if you just want boxing content. Whatever. Just get the fuck off my channel. Unsubscribe. Do me a favor, unsubscribe. Instead of people always asking you to subscribe to their videos, I'm just gonna say unsubscribe. Okay. But when I say HB is on the mic, you're gonna get the more Christianly man. You're gonna get the cordial version of me because my kids are around. Okay. My kids and my girls around. I'm trying not to scare everybody in my place. Okay. So get at me. Stay safe, y'all. Stay blessed. Have a good weekend.